business. Okay, I have a letter from Mr. Smith. Did you send a copy of this to Mr. Pierce?
Oh, the motion to film?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Basically, the way this words is I hereby motion to film the hearing on October 24, 2008. However, this hearing should not be held in its normal form. It should be a three-way mediation with a representative of this court sitting at, I assume, a negotiation table instead of a judge behind the bench. Clearly, members of this court have a conflict of interest in this matter and are continuing to dig the Commonwealth in deeper and deeper by not informing their superiors of the federal violations of law by themselves. As to the first part of this, I'll allow, if I don't hear an objection, the ability to film. Mr. Pierce is shaking his head. He apparently does not have an objection to that. So we will film. Mr. Smith has his camera here, and so we will do that. With respect to the request that there be a three-way mediation, this is a court of law. I sit behind the bench, and I decide issues of law that are in front of me. That's my commission, and it's not here to participate in a mediation. Mr. Smith, do you want to tell us why it is that you think that there is a conflict of interest in this matter? And when you say that, who are the parties that is directed at? Is it the judge? Is it someone else?
Well, clearly this case has never been accepted to its fullest by Kevin Jones and Leila Kern, which she finally admitted, signed an injunction that was unconstitutional, as did Kathe Tuttman. Also signed an injunction that she later admitted was unconstitutional. After Judge Thomas Billings ruled it unconstitutional in April of 2007, I sent to Kevin Jones approximately 6 times the copy of Judge Billings' ruling to Kevin Jones to discuss with Kathe Tuttman. However, it wasn't until a full 13 months later that Kathe Tuttman said she accidentally discovered it in the filing, and then she did rectify part of the injunction and admitted that what she had done and Leila Kern had done was unconstitutional. I also feel that during the trial, I was not able to explain things to the jury, and I felt that this court was covering for the 2 judges and the clerk for their mistakes, and that the jury was hidden from information. And I feel the reason was because the court was covering for itself and its own mistakes.
Okay. Do you want to be specific as to where it is that you feel that the court, namely this judge, exhibited what you would call some covering up activity on its part?
Well, I was not allowed to tell the jury that there was an unconstitutional injunction. I was not allowed to call the witnesses I intended to, which included Kevin Jones, yourself, Kathe Tuttman, Judge Billings, Judge Kern. In my counterclaim was, the majority of my counterclaim was the constitutional violation. In my response, my answer. And so how is the jury going to make an award if they don't know that it's actually already agreed to by the court that mistakes were made? Also, I was forbidden from telling the jury that I was the neighborhood association president. I was one of the leaders of Citizens for Public Safety who work on police and fire issues, who promote anti-drinking, anti-drug use for kids. I wasn't able to give my video evidence that I said for over a year and a half that my major presentation was going to be of. I wasn't able to give any of the evidence I was going to present. Mr. Pierce was able to say whatever he wanted. He was able to defame my character. He was able to give whatever evidence he wanted. I had requested 10 months before in writing that he turn over all his documentation. I received nothing. Then right up to until it got given to the jury, and I didn't even see 10 of the documents that I guess were given to the jury the first day, which I didn't see till after the jury was sequestered. So, and it goes on and on from there, but that's the main points. And I just feel that this court has a conflict of interest. I really would like to just resolve things properly, sit down with a representative of the Commonwealth, negotiate so this doesn't go to federal court. I just want it properly done.